Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings. Then scroll down and choose Privacy section over here. Following that, you need to click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features. I will go with Camera. Now tap on one of your apps, for example Chrome, and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. I will go with allow only while using, so when I click on this option and go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always just click on one of your apps, scroll all the way down and click on See All Chrome Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!